Explain. Experiment number 2. Basic arithmetic and looping statements using shell script on code.karunya.edu. In that first question, we develop a simple addition program. We use code space add dot sh, and the code we give first we enter a number, and then we read that number, and we are equal to now we using while loop equal to I less than 10, and we use addition program I and n plus I equals to n plus I and I equal to I plus 1, then executed, and we give escape shift colon W Q, and we come out, and we execute the program a dot sh. We give enter a number 7, then it will enter all that numbers in that second question. We use second question factorial of a given number vi factio cto ral factorial dot, and we enter code. We use enter, and count equals to, and we use while loop, and number greater than 0, and count equal to count slash multi into n number, n equal to experience n minus 1, done. We use echo factorial count is escape shift we come out, and we give sh facto ria factorial dot sh. We give enter number 9, and factorial equals to, and factorial equals to 362880, and in the third question we use find the sum of natural numbers vi natu ra ln minus natural numbers dot sh, and we use enter and read the value, and read the value, and rest 1 equals to n plus 1, rest 2 equal to rest 1 into n, and rest 3 equal to rest 2 by 2. We use echo rest 3, and we come out the escape w come out of the problem sh natu natural numbers dot sh, and the enter the values 7, and the factorial is 28, and the fourth sum of the series in n number n value we give vi sum of sum of series dot sh, and we give enter a number and read the number, and I equal to 1, sum equals to 0. We use while loop I less than n, do sum equal to experience sum plus I equal to I plus 2, done. We use the sum of the series up to given number is the sum, and we give escape w sh sum of series dot sh, and enter the number equals to 6, and the sum of series up to given number is 9, and we display the multiplication table For the given numbers we use vi multi VL table dot sh, and then we use enter number, read the number I equals to when we use while loop I equal to less than 10, we use do while loop n into I equals to n into n slash into I equals to n into I plus 1, then done. Use escape wq and execute sh equal to multi table dot sh, and we give enter number n, we use 4 and it will enter the 10 values before 4, and the sixth one using a display number from 10 to 1 vi in a reverse order re bers e nums dot sh, and the code is abq number equals to 10, while loop a greater than 0, do echo we read that a and a equal to a minus 1, then done. Escape shift wq and we give sh bvers reverse numbers dot sh, and it will print the numbers top to bottom, and the second program Fibonacci series FIBNOC Fibonacci NACCN dot sh, and it will not print. Escape shift wq enter vi fi vo nacci Fibonacci dot sh, and the code will be enter the number n and a equals to 0, b equals to n, while loop n greater than 0, do echo we enter read that a value and c equals to, and Fibonacci equals to a plus b, and a equals to b equal to c, and the number equals to n minus 1, then done. Shift wq enter sh fi b o nacc Fibonacci dot sh, and it will print the enter the number 9, and it will print the Fibonacci series, and we shall script the greater of 3 numbers. We use vi greatest greatest of 3 dot sh, and code n equals to 1 read that n value, and up to 3 it will read that values, and n greater than 2 and greater than 3, and then n equals to n is 1 is greatest, it will print Fibonacci, it will print first if n is greater than 2, then n2 is greatest, and it prints the, and n3 is greatest greater than n1, and then it will print n3 is greatest if n1 is equals to n2 equals to n3, then it print all are equal, and finish wq enter sh greatest